Hi. As you can... What a start. What I was trying to say was, so as you can tell from the title, today's video is kind of... Honestly. Today's video is not going to be my normal monthly favourites. I'm not going to be just like showing you and talking about all my favourite products because I don't have a lot of like new products. So when I just have months where I don't really buy much new makeup, like this month for example, I will just do like a tutorial kind of, not really a tutorial, but kind of like a get ready with me as I just kind of talk to you about what I've been using recently, because most of these are literally all products that they're just from my drawer and I've just been using them and kind of switching my products over. These are just the products that I've kind of been using repeatedly, but they're not brand new, so you're not going to be like, never seen her use that before. So if the past 30 seconds just made no sense to you, I'm basically going to be doing a get ready with me with all of my current beauty favourites, and I'm going to just be putting them on my face, showing you what they are, telling you why I love them, and you're just going to see me put them on my face and create this funky little look that I've got going on. So if you want to see what my current faves are, then subscribe if you want to. If you don't, it's fine. And give the video a thumbs up as well if you like beauty favourites, because I do. I love them. And just keep watching. Okay, so obviously I'm not going to be talking through all my favourites because I don't have like new stuff that I've been constantly using. Like I said, I've just been kind of mixing a lot of my makeup up, but a lot of these things, to be fair, I've been using for the majority of the month. So I like doing this when I don't have like enough like solid favourites to like fully talk about, because to be fair, I haven't really been buying much new makeup, to be honest. So these are pretty much just makeup that you've seen before if you watch my videos. Just thought we could just do my makeup together and just see how it goes. So I think I'm gonna just start off with the face. So primer wise, I've been going between two because I've been loving like my primer and foundation combo at the minute. So I've either been using the Flower Beauty Supernova Celestial Skin Elixir or the Catrice Prime and Fine Fresh It Up Primer. So these are the two that I've been using. Love them both, we all know that. I'm going to use the Flower one for today, and with the foundation I'm going to use, it's just so good. Just so moisturising as well. I mean, I know it's an oil, but you know. Okay, so we can see how nice and dewy that is. It's so nice. I'm obsessed. So I've been using this with the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation in the shade MN3. I feel like I've talked about this like combo in a recent video. I don't know. And I've been preferring to use a sponge at the minute. I go back like between a brush and a sponge all the time. I'm back to sponge at the minute. Okay, then once you've done that, you're just going to add your setting spray and you're all done. So I don't know what my skin is honestly doing to me right now. That huge breakout that I had there went and then this appeared. Like I don't know what I'm doing wrong in life to get all these breakouts all of a sudden. I do not know. Seriously, this foundation and primer combo for anyone who loves dewy skin. Okay, so concealer wise, again, I've been switching up my concealers literally every day, but two that I really like together, so I thought that's why I'd use it in this video, is the Barry All Night Long Concealer. This is a full coverage concealer, and the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer. This is a really nice affordable combo. The only reason I use them both together is because the Barry one is slightly too deep for me, so I need to lighten it up a tiny bit. I'll either lighten it up with this one or the Catrice one because I love them both. I do find the Catrice concealer to be quite similar to the Collection one, but this one is a better shade for me. I'm gonna blend this out first. I mean, it's not super dark, like I could get away with just keeping that on, but I just like to lighten it up a tiny bit. Okay, then I'm just going to take a bit of that Collection concealer and just pop it on my eyelids. because honestly when I've been wearing eyeshadow this like whole month, I've been lazy and I've literally just been using concealer. I'm gonna set that in place. So I've gone back to my Beauty Bakerie, my flower powder. I love it. It's so good. That I've tried anyway. I think a really popular one that I still haven't tried is the Laura Mercier one, which I am surprised I have not used it. Okay, I think I might just move on to my eyes now that kind of like my base is all done, just to keep it interesting for you. Okay, so eyeshadow wise, I haven't been using eyeshadow every single day. I've not been wearing it that much, but when I have, I've kind of just been not whipping out a full eyeshadow palette. I've just kind of been wanting like one shade to just kind of put over the lid because I've been rushing this month. I kind of wanted something just quick, ready to go. So I've been using a lot of the Colourpop Super Shock shadows recently. They're really good to just kind of whack over your lid and you're good to go. I thought I'd put a bit more effort in today. So I'm going to be using one of my favourites, which is the Maybelline Colour Tattoo in On and On Bronze. I've loved this for so many years. It's just so good. I'll literally just take a brush, like a flat little shader brush, and just pop this all over the lid. It's a very cool tone for me, but I really like it. On it on the lower lash line, like not even bothered. I'll just kind of grab like any brown that I've got around me. So I'm going to take the Colourpop Zodiac palette and I'm going to take the Taurus shade, which is this one. Just pop this kind of in the crease just so it's kind of got something to make it look a bit blended. It's kind of like a warm shade to put with such a cool colour, but give me a sec. Then I'm gonna take the Virgo shade, which is just underneath it, this darker brown. Use this in the outer corner just to make it a little bit smoky. Look how simple that was to do, so easy. But we're not done yet. I thought I would just be a bit, I'd be a bit adventurous today. I'm gonna take this Colourpop Super Shock shadow. This one is in the shade Telepathy. And it's this really, really nice, like, money green. I'm gonna pop this in my inner corner. Go. Look how cool that looks. If you don't think it's cool, that's fine, I don't care. Then I'm just gonna add a bit of eyeliner. Okay, I'm just gonna pop some eyeliner just to kind of line my top lash line with. Not gonna do a wing, nothing fancy. I'm gonna use this I Do liquid liner, as in I do. Get it. I'm just gonna use the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. So back to the face. I'm going to do blush first because it's like a cream. So I've been really liking the Colourpop blush sticks. So I've got two different shades and I've kind of been going between both of them. So I've got the shade Aloha. They look very similar, that one. And then we have Hooked, which has a bit of like shimmer in it, so it's a bit glowy. I've been using this one when I can't be bothered to use highlight because it's got a bit of glow. And then I've been using Aloha if I just either don't want any highlight or I'm going to use highlight. I think I'm going to go with Aloha today because I'm going to use a highlight. But I don't know how people apply blush sticks and stuff like that. I just use my finger like this because it kind of warms up on your finger. Bronzer wise, I think I was talking about this in my last video. I've kind of been using two together. The first one is this Maybelline City Bronze. This I've literally got like a week or two ago. Has not been long, but I've been obsessed with it ever since. So this one is in the shade Medium Warm. Over top, I've been going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Bronzer. Like I said, I haven't been using highlight every day. Just picked out a random highlight that I'm going to use today. So this is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlight in Hustler Baby. This is so pretty. So we've just got lips next. So I've still been obsessed with Vow. Was this in my last favourites video? I can't remember, but I've been obsessed with this. Is by Makeup Revolution. So I'm going to use this. I'm just going to pop the Anastasia liquid lipstick in Stripped. And I could add a gloss over top, but I don't think I'm going to because I like it like this. So yeah, this is all of my kind of current faves right now. So yeah, that is it. That's it for today's video. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this nice little chill get ready with me, I guess. It was kind of like a get ready with me, and I hope you enjoyed my monthly faves. So thank you again so much for watching. If you didn't enjoy this video, sorry, I enjoyed filming it. If you did enjoy it, then make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.